Hi, today I want to show you how to draw your support and resistance correctly so you can be profitable in the forex market and so that your charts will not look like this. Ew, what the My name is Kingsley and this is Lions King Forex Academy, where we raise disciplined traders. Support and resistance or key level, it's very important when trading the forex market, but 99% of traders get it wrong till today. Now you may want to ask, why is it important? It's very important because if you can find key levels correctly, you have higher chance of probability of winning all your trades. The reason why you're still making those errors, those mistakes when setting your support and resistance or key levels, having all those 10,000 lines on your charts, is because you do not follow these 4 basic rules. Number 1 rules is what? Multiple rejection. Now look at this. This is a clear example of multiple rejection. Now you can see price went up and came down here to this support level multiple times before it went back up to resistance level. You can see price came from this particular resistance level here and came down to this support level. Boom, it went back up to this resistance level. Boom, it came back to this support level. You can see it came back up here, came back to this support level, and it came reversed back to this resistance level. So this is a very strong scenario that yes, if price touches this resistance level, price will surely drop down to the support level because of price have touches there multiple times, giving us confidence to enter the market. Hold up, okay, I know what you're thinking. Now you might be saying that what if the chart does not look like this when you have multiple rejection? This will now take us to our number 2 rules, which states price needs to move away from swing high or swing low. Now you can see that price has not yet formed multiple rejection yet. It's just been going up. Now you can see from this swing high, you can see there is a very strong rejection here down to this point, and in this case price doesn't just move slowly, but you can see price move aggressively with some big red candlesticks. Now the easiest thing you can mark your supports and resistance, basically your resistance, this is what we're looking at here now, is to mark your resistance at this level here. That price has a tremendous strong reversal to this particular point here. The number 3rd rule or secret is that your level must be closer to the current price. Now take a look at this. Now when drawing key levels, remember we don't want too many lines on our chart. We are only concerned with this particular resistance level, and we are also concerned with this particular support level because of price has come touches the support level and boom, there was a reverse back to this resistance level, back to this support level, and back to this resistance level. So this is how price has been going. So that should be your main focus. You don't want to draw this particular line here, this support level line here, because we don't need too many lines in our chart because it's going to take forever before price will come down to this place. The 4th rule is called role reversal, meaning that a level can become either support or resistance. Now when a resistance level is broken or a support level is broken, its role is reversed. Hold up. Let me break it down for you. Now when a price breaks a support level, that support level becomes resistance. Or when a price breaks a resistance level, that resistance level has become a support level. Now look at this now. Now the first thing you do is we're marking the resistance level now, where price touched multiple times. You can see price came here, touches here, first came down here, touches here,
let's assume that our support level is here, and price came down here, touches here, came down here. It did not come to this support level where probably you might have initiated a sell trade here, and you're expecting that the price will come. Maybe you initiated your take profit at this side because of this axis, because of price of touches there multiple times, 1, 2, and you're expecting it to touch here, but fine, it did not go to your prediction. Now price came, touches back here, and you are back at break even because you initiated your trade at this particular point. Now price came here, touches here, back at your break even, came back again, and you were happy that, oh, the price will finally come to your take profit at this point. But boom, price broke above this resistance level, and as a seller you are already in pain, and price went up, came down to this previous resistance level. Now price did not break this resistance level down, but price used this resistance as a support. As a seller, you're supposed to know that you're supposed to initiate immediately a buy trade since the resistance level has already been broken, and that is what we call role reversal.
Check out this my live trading section where I applied one of the strategy, so you can see on how I do my trading. And in my next video I'm gonna document most of my trade where I applied all the strategy, and it was all win.
Now I'm going to take this trade. This is an old resistance level that has become support, and we just took this trade now, and let's see what happens, because we're expecting this last resistance level to be broken and continue the role reversal. Though we moved our stop loss in profit, if you check, is it the same ticket number, and it was $12 that we are using for this educational purpose. Just want to grow it. I believe in growing smaller accounts because not everybody have that $1,000 account size and all that. So I believe to teach people, to give people the motivation, to motivate them that with a smaller account you can grow it to a desired level that you want. Now pay attention. Normally we're supposed to set our stop loss at this last highs, the last resistance level. You understand? And it has hit the last resistance level, because of you don't know, it might go back to that last resistance level and use that last resistance level and retrace like what is doing now. But on the other hand, you can still increase your stop loss, but for now, since it's for educational purpose, we're just going to bring back our stop loss back to this level. But I'm pretty sure that this trade will hit the desired level we want. This is the last resistance level. So let's take this profit, so we don't make the video to be lengthy and all that. When you set on role reversal, your take profit should be at the next the last resistance level. Now remember, like what I said, that the Williams it touches the sold, that is this 80%, and our RSI came down a bit trying to touch. Then our MA, you can see it touched the last of our Bollinger Band, the down band, and you can see that our 25 moving average was up, while our 50 moving average was down, while our 100 was the least. You understand? So those are all those things that has to be in place before you take a trade. Then remember that it's a trending trade. You don't trade in a shopping market, no, in a trade that is trending. It has hit it. You can see it moved to 42. So that's it for today. We were supposed to leave it to $40. You can see it's still breaking. It's still breaking our previous resistance level. That's why I said in role reversal, when the resistance level is broken, the resistance level becomes support. You understand? So this is a clear example of what I was trying to let you understand.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.